Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your JVC TV turning on, but giving you absolutely no sound? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step methods to fix the no sound problem on your JVC TV. Stick with me until the end, because one of these solutions is guaranteed to bring your sound back. Step 1. Check the volume and mute settings. The first thing to check is the basics. Grab your remote and make sure the TV isn't muted. Press the volume up button and see if the sound increases. Sometimes, kids or accidental button presses can mute the TV without you noticing. If sound is still missing, move to the next step. Step 2. Verify audio output settings. Many JVC TVs allow you to switch between TV speakers and external audio devices like soundbars or home theaters. Go to Menu, Settings, Audio. Ensure TV speakers are selected. If it's set to external speaker or audio out, change it back to TV speakers. If you're using a soundbar or HDMI device, make sure it's turned on and properly connected. Step 3. Check HDMI/cable connections. Loose or faulty HDMI/AV cables are a common reason for no sound. Unplug and reinsert all HDMI and AV cables. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. If possible, test with another HDMI cable to rule out cable damage. If the sound returns, your cable was the problem. Step 4. Restart the TV, power cycle. Sometimes, a simple reset fixes sound issues. Turn off your JVC TV. Unplug it from the wall socket. Wait 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary software glitches. Step 5. Update TV software. Firmware update. Outdated software can cause sound problems. Go to Menu, Settings, System, Software Update. Make sure your JVC TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Download and install any available updates. After the update, test your sound again. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. If none of the fixes worked, try resetting your TV to factory settings. This will erase all apps and settings. Go to Menu, Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. Confirm reset and wait for the TV to reboot. After setup, check if sound is restored. There you go. These simple fixes should help you restore sound on your JVC TV. If you still face issues, it could be a hardware problem with the speakers, and you may need professional repair. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more JVC TV troubleshooting guides. See you in the next one.